What is the best online business to start with no money? Well, I'm going to give you some advice and tips here in this video. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And I wanted to share my thoughts in this video on what's the best online business to start if you have no money. And by the way, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, all right? So what is the best business to start with no money? Well, first, I just kind of want to give a little disclaimer here, which is that if you have money to invest in your business, I absolutely recommend investing into your business. Invest in yourself, invest in your education, invest in the tools that'll help you get further faster. It's absolutely critical for you to invest in your business if you really want it to grow. But if you're looking to get started with no investment, that's what I'm here to help you do with this video. So, how do you do it? What's the best strategy? What's the best business to start doing this? And I'm actually going to kind of answer it with two different ways, because there's really two recommendations that I have here for how to do this. So honestly, if you're really looking for money quickly to come into your business, into your life, then the best online business to start is freelancing. The best online business to start is freelancing if you're looking to get money quickly. So with freelancing, you can offer a service, and of course in exchange for a cost. So you can get clients for a service and make money that way. And there's a lot of ways to do this. You could be a freelance writer. You can be, maybe if you're good at art, maybe drawing or painting or digital art, you can offer your services as a freelance artist and produce commissioned artwork for people who order, they order commissions from you, and you make the art for them. You can also be a freelance, programmer, freelance web designer. You can get pretty quickly up to speed with WordPress. WordPress is a very simple way to set up websites. So you can just offer to set up, WordPress websites for clients. And that's a pretty quick and easy service that you can learn how to do it pretty quickly and then start offering it pretty quickly as well. And there's plenty of other services that you can offer on a freelance basis as well. For instance, there's some people who just, they offer to walk people's dogs and they make money doing that. So really, my first answer, again, if you're looking to get money fast, freelancing is the best way to do that. But now let's say that you're not really looking for money fast. You're looking to build out a long-term sustainable business that earns passive income online. Now, the best way to go about that would be to use the power of content marketing combined with affiliate marketing. And honestly, I'd recommend doing the content marketing on YouTube. YouTube is an extremely powerful platform for getting in front of people and building an audience, and then you can leverage that to build a business. And so here's how exactly this works. Is first you've got to pick a niche. You pick a niche market of what you want to go into. It could be anything from, dog training to woodworking to how to fix your car, how to dance. It could be really, there's tons of markets you can go into for affiliate marketing. And then, so you pick your niche, your niche, and then you also, from your niche, you define who is your target audience. Your target audience is who's the people that you want to help. For example, it really is all about finding a need that you can solve, right? Finding a need that you can solve. What's a need that you can solve in the marketplace? And that doesn't have to be something revolutionary. It doesn't have to be something new. It's just, there's people who have problems and they need solutions to the problems, right? So as an affiliate marketer, what you do, you pick your niche, and then you would create content on topics within that niche. You do a process called keyword research and competitor research and market research to find out what those topics are. So keyword research, for example, you use keyword research to find out what keyword terms people are already searching for on Google and on YouTube. I've got a video on that which is going to pop up here in the info cards. So you can watch that video to learn about keyword research. But you'd do the keyword research. You'd find the topics people are looking for. You'd create videos on YouTube on those topics where you'd teach that topic to that audience, and then you upload those to YouTube. You also do keyword, optimization, search engine optimization for those videos as well, which I've also got a video for that, which will pop up in the info cards. So with keyword research and search engine optimization, and you keep doing this, you keep producing content over and over again. Over time, as you keep producing videos that answer the questions that people are searching for help on within your niche market that you choose, and you got to stick to one niche. Just stick to one niche. That way you can build an audience of people who are all interested in the same topics, in the same thing. So the more you produce these videos and you optimize them for search and you pick the right keywords for them, and the better you get at making the videos, right? This is going to be a process. I'm not promising quick and easy money here. I'm promising nothing, but I'm saying that if you can do the work, if you put in the work and you produce the videos and you get better at this whole process that I'm describing to you here today, then at some point, your YouTube channel is going to really start to grow. It'll probably grow slowly at first, but then again, as you're getting better and improving and getting more content out there onto YouTube, the more it'll grow. And I can't tell you how long that's going to take for you. You've got to be willing to put in that effort, that work, and you've got to kind of be willing to say, I don't care how long it takes. If it takes me 3 years to master this, I'm going to go ahead and take 3 years to master it. It might take you that long. For you, it might be much shorter. It could even be longer than that. Are you willing to put in the work for 3 years without seeing that much of a result back? Because if you're not, you might as well just stop right now. You might as well not even get started. You might as well just forget about the whole idea of building a passive income business online, because it does take work. But once you put the work in, you have an asset that's going to keep earning you money over and over again for the work that you've already done. Now we're combining this with affiliate marketing. So how do we do that? From the videos, you're going to link over to a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a page designed to capture leads onto your email list. To do this, you would offer something of value in exchange for their email address. Something of value could be free training, free guide, free report, free something. It's often known as a lead magnet. So you would offer some kind of lead magnet in exchange for the email address. You do it on a squeeze page, which is simply a page designed only to collect the lead and nothing else. For example, the page would have a headline that promises what they will get from getting your free thing. Then there's going to be a place where they can put in their email address and a button to submit the information. And that's all you need for a squeeze page, is those 3 things right there: the promise, the headline, the email form, and the submit button. That's all you really need. And then once somebody submits that form, then they go onto your email list. And then from there, you can send them over to your thank you page, which you can then on the thank you page offer an affiliate product. So you have a link that says, hey, thank you for subscribing. Check out this awesome product here that's going to help you with this. And then also they're on your email list, so you can follow up with your email list. And as your email list grows, you'll be able to send out those emails to more and more people on autopilot. Then you can make more affiliate offers for different affiliate products. And then as your list grows, you're going to be making more money from doing this. And of course, affiliate marketing, you're going to find products within your niche. So here's what affiliate marketing is. In case you don't know, affiliate marketing is you simply find products that already exist. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to do the customer service. All you're doing is promoting the product. So you find the product. It's a product that's already selling, that's already offering value to the niche that you've already chosen. You're going to offer that to those people who come onto your email list and who come onto your thank you page. You're going to offer those products to those people, and in exchange for recommending those products, you're going to earn a commission. Now, again, this isn't something that's necessarily fast and easy, but it is something that you can get started with for free, and that as you start earning that money back, you can start investing money into the business to help it grow faster. So, hopefully everything in this video has made sense for you. If something didn't make sense, go ahead and leave a comment below. And again, subscribe to this channel if you got value out of this, and we'll see you in the next video.